Choosing a workstation in 2026 is tough. Do you go with the sleek P1 Gen 5 or the absolute tank that is the P16 Gen 2? Watch till the end before you buy because I'm picking a clear winner. I've put deal links in the description, and if you could drop a like, it helps me out massively. Let's find out which one belongs on your desk. When choosing between the ThinkPad P1 Gen 5 and the P16 Gen 2, you are essentially deciding between refined portability and raw industrial scale. The P1 Gen 5 is built for the professional who moves between meetings and coffee shops, utilizing a carbon fiber and magnesium alloy chassis that feels incredibly rigid, yet surprisingly light. It sports a modern, slim profile with thin bezels and a soft-touch matte finish that, while premium, tends to be a magnet for fingerprints. On the other hand, the P16 Gen 2 is a massive, unapologetic desktop replacement. It swaps the carbon fiber elegance for a heavy magnesium aluminum frame that weighs a substantial 6.5 pounds. Its design is thick and function-first, prioritizing internal cooling and structural integrity over aesthetics, making it feel like a tank compared to the P1's more athletic build. Connectivity further illustrates these different philosophies. The P1 Gen 5 manages to pack a respectable array of ports into its thin frame, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, and a full-size SD card reader, which is usually enough to keep the dongles at bay. However, the P16 Gen 2 uses its extra bulk to offer even more, most notably including a dedicated Ethernet port for stable, high-speed networking. A significant point of friction for the P16 is its power requirement. Unlike the more flexible P1, the P16 Gen 2 cannot charge via USB-C and relies entirely on a large proprietary brick. While both machines offer HDMI 2.1 and plenty of high-speed data options, the P1 focuses on sleek versatility, whereas the P16 provides an expansive stationary-first layout for users who rarely intend to leave their desks. When evaluating the visual experience of these two workstations, both machines represent a significant leap forward into the modern 16:10 aspect ratio, which has effectively reclaimed the vertical screen real estate lost during the widescreen era. The ThinkPad P1 Gen 5 provides a stunning WQXGA display that balances high-speed 165 Hz fluidity with a bright 500 nit output, making it an exceptional tool for developers and writers who need crisp text and smooth scrolling. While the base panel on the P16 Gen 2 is remarkably similar in its specs offering that same high refresh rate and daylight visible brightness, it takes the visual ceiling a step further for creative professionals. The P16 offers an optional 4K OLED touchscreen that brings infinite contrast ratios and deeper blacks into the fold, a luxury the P1 Gen 5 lacks. For a photo editor or colorist, the P16's ability to render perfect blacks and precise color accuracy provides a layer of depth that the IPS-bound P1 cannot quite match, even if the P1 remains more than adequate for high-end productivity. The tactile interaction with these laptops reveals a fascinating divergence in Lenovo's design philosophy regarding ergonomics and spatial efficiency. On the ThinkPad P1 Gen 5, the keyboard feels like a modern evolution of the classic T-series. It has sacrificed a small amount of key travel to maintain its slim 18mm profile, yet it retains a snappy, tactile click that makes long-form typing a breeze. Its glass touchpad is a standout feature, offering a friction-free surface that feels significantly more premium and responsive than the plastic alternatives found on older models. In contrast, the P16 Gen 2 treats its keyboard like a command center. Because the chassis is so expansive, Lenovo was able to include a full-size numeric keypad, a non-negotiable feature for engineers, accountants, and data scientists. This addition shifts the primary typing area slightly to the left, which can take a few days to get used to, but the keys themselves offer deeper travel and a more traditional, cushioned landing that mimics the desktop keyboards of yesteryear. Communication hardware on both machines reflects a functional, pro-grade standard that prioritizes reliability over flashy optics. Both the P1 Gen 5 and the P16 Gen 2 have moved away from the grainy 720p webcams of the past, opting for 1080p sensors that handle lighting much more gracefully during professional video calls. While neither will replace a dedicated DSLR for content creation, they both offer enough sharpness and color balance to ensure you look professional in a Zoom or Teams environment. The P16's larger frame might suggest a superior speaker setup, and while it does deliver a clear and loud soundstage for meetings, it still struggles with the same lack of low-end resonance found in the thinner P1. Both machines are designed with the assumption that serious media work will be done with headphones, yet they both provide a clean, intelligible audio experience for casual consumption and remote collaboration. The most dramatic divide between these two workstations appears when you unplug them from the wall, as their power management philosophies are worlds apart. The P1 Gen 5 is a true mobile workstation, capable of carrying a user through a standard workday of moderate tasks on a single charge if the screen brightness is kept in check. It manages the heat and power draw of its H-series processor, with enough efficiency to allow for a few hours of work at a local cafe without an immediate hunt for an outlet. The P16 Gen 2, however, is a different beast entirely. Built around high-wattage HX-series processors designed for maximum throughput, it consumes battery life at an aggressive rate. Even under light workloads, the P16 struggles to stay away from its power brick for more than 5 or 6 hours. And under heavy rendering or simulation tasks, that window can shrink to less than 2 hours. It is a machine that views its internal battery more as a built-in, uninterruptible power supply for moving between desks, rather than a source of all-day independence. When comparing the raw silicon muscle of the ThinkPad P1 Gen 5 and the ThinkPad P16 Gen 2, you are looking at two very different interpretations of workstation power. The P1 Gen 5 utilizes Intel's H-series processors, specifically designed to strike a balance between high-performance throughput and the thermal constraints of a thin 18mm chassis. It is a machine that feels snappy and immediate for virtualization, code compilation, and heavy multitasking, rarely making you feel like you're sacrificing speed for its portability. However, the P16 Gen 2 steps into an entirely different weight class by leveraging Intel's HX series processors. These chips are essentially desktop silicon squeezed into a laptop frame, offering higher core counts and significantly higher wattage limits. While the P1 is a fast laptop, the P16 behaves like a tethered powerhouse. It doesn't just handle heavy loads, it crushes them with a brute force approach to processing that the slimmer P1 simply cannot sustain without hitting thermal limits. This gap in processing philosophy becomes even more apparent when you move into the realm of creative editing and professional content creation. The P1 Gen 5, especially when configured with the RTX A1000, is a highly capable tool for 4K video editing, photo manipulation in Adobe Lightroom, and light CAD work. It's the kind of machine that lets a creator work on the go without feeling bogged down, though you might notice the fans ramping up during long renders. The P16 Gen 2, meanwhile, is built for the no-compromise professional. With support for up to 192GB of DDR5 RAM and the top-tier NVIDIA RTX 8th generation GPUs, it is designed for massive datasets, complex 3D VFX rendering, and 8K video timelines that would cause most ultra-portables to stutter. The P16 offers a level of overhead that ensures you aren't just meeting the requirements of today's software, but are effectively future-proofed for the increasingly demanding AI-accelerated workflows of tomorrow. When the workday ends and you turn toward gaming, both machines reveal their professional DNA in different ways. The P1 Gen 5 is a surprisingly decent casual gaming companion. Its 165Hz display makes esports titles and older AAA games feel incredibly fluid, and as long as you aren't trying to push modern titles at ultra settings, it stays relatively composed. It's the stealth gamer capable enough for a quick session of Counter-Strike or Valorant without the aesthetic baggage of a gaming rig. The P16 Gen 2, by contrast, is a powerhouse that just happens to be wearing a business suit. Because it houses much more powerful GPU options and a massive cooling system, it can actually run demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Microsoft Flight Simulator at high settings with impressive frame rates. The trade-off, of course, is the sensory experience. The P16's fans are unapologetically loud under load, and the heated exhausts could effectively warm a small room. It offers a desktop-class gaming experience, but it lacks the quiet grace of the P1, reminding you at every turn that it was built for maximum output rather than refined silence. The clear winner for 2026? it has to be the ThinkPad P1 Gen 5. While the P16 Gen 2 is a total powerhouse, the P1 gives you incredible performance in a design that doesn't require a gym membership to carry. It's the perfect all-rounder. Check the links for the latest deals, and I'll see you in the next one.